Most people get this wrong when returning an Amazon item. They think it's complicated or risky, so they delay it and miss the return window. Here's the truth no one tells you. Amazon has made returns very simple in 2026, but only if you follow the correct steps in the right order. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to return an Amazon item step by step, how pickup works, how refunds are processed, and what to do if your return gets rejected. By the end, you'll be able to return almost anything without confusion. Let's start with the fastest method. Open the Amazon app and go to your orders. Find the item you want to return and tap Return or Replace Item. Amazon will ask you to select a reason. Choose the one that best matches your situation, like defective item, wrong item delivered, or no longer needed. But here's the problem. Many people rush through this step and pick the wrong reason. That can sometimes affect approval speed or refund type. So always choose the most accurate reason. Now here's where it gets interesting. After selecting the reason, Amazon will show return options. Depending on your location and product, you may get a pickup, drop-off, or instant refund option. Pickup is the most common for large items, while drop-off works for smaller packages at locations like delivery partners or stores. This is where most people fail. They forget to package the item properly. Always use the original packaging if possible, and include all accessories. Missing items can delay your refund or even cause rejection. In a minute, I'll show you what happens after you schedule the return. Once you confirm the return, Amazon will generate a return label or pickup schedule. If it's a pickup, the delivery agent will come to your address on the selected date. If it's a drop-off, you'll get a QR code or label to show at the return location. After the item is picked up or dropped off, Amazon will mark it as returned in your order history. Refund processing usually starts once the item reaches the warehouse and passes inspection. Refund timing depends on your payment method. Most refunds go back to your original payment source within a few business days. Bank transfers or cards may take longer, depending on processing time. If your return is delayed, always check your orders for status updates first. If needed, contact Amazon support with your order ID for faster resolution. To recap, go to your orders, select the item, choose return reason carefully, pick a return method, package the item properly, and track refund status after pickup or drop-off. If this guide helped you understand how Amazon returns work, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your return experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.